Hello, hi. Happy New Year. So I hope everybody had a lovely New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, whatever. If you went out, I hope you were safe. Even if you were sat at home, I hope you didn't fall off the sofa and are still safe. So anyway, today's video is going to be a just testing video on a bunch of stuff that I've got recently. I have bought a lot of makeup, I think, over the past few weeks. Had to treat myself to some expensive skincare. You'll see. I just thought I would test all the new stuff that I got and just let you know my first impressions on everything. So this is obviously everything that I've used on, so if you want to see how I did this look and all that good stuff, then subscribe if you want to, give the video a thumbs up as well, and just keep watching. Actually, false alarm. Before I actually start the video, I've just realised I forgot to talk about these. So I didn't actually, I could have put them on. Okay, great start. So I've got these new lashes here. I didn't actually buy these. They were very kindly sent by a eyelash company. Well, they're a website that I have bought eyelashes from before. They are kind of the only site that I get false eyelashes from, unless I get them off like Beauty Bay or just like in a store. They are called falseeyelashes.co.uk, I think. I'm gonna leave like the link to the website in the description box anyway, but they sent me some false eyelashes. I have got false eyelashes from them before and I really loved them. So these are the ones that they've sent this time. On the website they have like a bunch of different brands. It's not like they aren't just a brand, they sell different brands, and like the shipping's really good, the prices are really good as well. These are the ones that they sent and I haven't used them, but I will if I can apply them again. I have Baby G, which kind of look probably the most natural ones out of the three that they sent. We have Queen Bee, which are very out there. Then there's 9 to 5, which, oh no, these are the natural ones. Yeah, these probably look the most natural. These I feel like would make me look scary personally, just because my eyelashes are pretty long anyway. The lashes that I got, I will, like I said, I'll leave a link to the website and these ones that I've got here down below if anyone wants to have a look at them, because it's a really good website and like the shipping's really good, like I said. So yeah. Okay, bye. I'm gonna go. Okay, so I've got a fairish amount of stuff. I have actually got a couple skincare stuff as well. I'm just obsessed with skincare right now. Oh, I got this. Okay, this is so cute. This is from Urban Outfitters and it's this little makeup bag. Okay, I did honestly think it was going to be bigger than this. This is clearly the Gemini one. I have a Gemini moon. I'm not a Gemini sun, but I am a Gemini moon, so I didn't really like the Cancer one. The symbol just looked a bit weird, so I thought next best thing. So that's really cute. It's like crushed velvet kind of thing. I love that. Then I got something from a new brand to try actually. It's not a new brand, never mind. I have actually used this brand before. So this is actually from Glow Recipe and it's the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. It's so cute. I did think it was going to be a lot bigger than that. This was expensive. It comes with a spatula as well. That's how you know that something's like bougie, if it comes with a spatula. I did kind of get it because it does have retinol in, and I do genuinely think that retinol helps with dark circles, and well, I use it like for my smile lines and stuff, so I've got high hopes for this. Obviously I've never used it. I don't know whether to use this or something else because I got a skincare kit. It was expensive, but I did actually get this when Cult Beauty had a sale. This is the Drunk Elephant Shelf Control Night Shelfie Kit, and this is obviously what you get. Not gonna lie, it did have a handle on the front, but it broke. So it looks really nice. It's like a proper kit as well, and then that's everything inside. I think there's one thing I think is full size. I think this is the one full size thing you get, and then there's 4 like travel size things, I guess. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, so I thought best way to test it is just get like a bunch of stuff that are all kind of minis and just see if they're going to be any good. So obviously at the moment I'm testing a load of Revolution skincare because I'm doing that for like a full month or 2 so I can like see if I like Revolution skincare. Obviously they're super affordable, so I'll make a video out of that to see if it's worth it or anything like that. And I thought, seeing as I've got like pretty much like a whole like kit of this skincare, I thought I could kind of do the same. So once I finished with the Revolution stuff, I can do the same with the Drunk Elephant stuff. So I literally haven't used any of this yet either. I don't know whether to use something now though. So that's all good. So that's pretty much what I got. This was actually from the sale when Cult had a sale. I think it's usually like £80 this box, but it was like 50 something, so that's allowed. That's really good. So I might just try this. I know it's like a sleeping mask, but I'm just gonna use it like an eye cream kind of thing. So let's see how this goes. Let's just pop a bit on. Oh, obviously I clearly have a cold, so I actually can't smell anything, so can't tell you if it smells nice. Okay, so I'm not gonna obviously like blend it out with the spatula. I'm just using this to get the product out, which, you know what I do like, because I hate sticking my fingers in pots and stuff. Like, I have long nails as well, so if it okay, that feels really nice. It feels really hydrating, so I think I'm gonna like that. So makeup wise, I wanted to do the eyes first because I feel like the eyes are kind of fun, or I might just like do a bit of the face and then do the eyes. No, actually, because it's a new eyeshadow palette, so I don't want to get like any fallout or anything, so I think we'll do the eyes. I did actually buy a new eyeshadow palette, which I feel like I haven't bought eyeshadow in a while. This one I got from Beauty Bay. It's by a brand I've never actually used before. It's called OPV Beauty London, and this is the Yemoja eyeshadow palette. I love this packaging. Look at the packaging of it. It looks so nice. It's got like 3 mermaids. Well, I think it's the same person. Here it is. It's the same girl, but like there's 3 mermaids on there, and they look great. I think this is a brand that's targeted towards deeper skin tones, because like all the stuff that they have, they are like richer colours that probably best suit deeper skin tones. But obviously, even if you have like lighter skin tone, medium like me, you can definitely still use this brand, I'm pretty sure, but they just kind of cater more towards deeper toned skin, I think. That looks so nice. I do wish that this was a mirror, like that would just like top this palette off, if it's good, hopefully. Not too heavy, but it's nice and like compact, so I like that. And the pans are huge in this. They are giant. So what I'm going to do, I haven't swatched it by the way at all, I'm just going to do it just straight on my eyes. I'm going to quickly go do my eyebrows actually, because I just realised I haven't done those. Oh no, wait, I've got a brow pencil. I have a new brow pencil. Hold. I literally threw it in the bin. I left it in the bubble wrap and threw it in the bin. Wow. Okay, so now I've got this. I think I've actually used it before. This is from LA Girl, and it's the Shady Slim Brow Pencil. Now I'm saying that name, I think I've used it before. Okay, brows are done. I like this. So that's fine. I'm kind of glad I got another one. We're going to go in with the eyeshadow palette now. I'm going to prime my eyes first with the P. Louise base, as I always do. So what I'm going to do is not make this video a million years long, which it probably is already going to be. So I'll do a quick look with this, show you everything I'm going to do, and then I'll just let you know what I think about it once we're done. Fallout. Yeah, we've got some. So that eye cream that I put on has pretty much just been wiped off. So great. Okay, first impressions of the palette. So nice. Really easy to use. I could have done this eye look like a lot quicker, but I've been watching Friends while I've been doing it, so it's taken me like an hour. I know this is like a really fun palette. I could have gone with the green or the red or even the blue. I was actually going to do the blue, but I am going to be going out and I don't fancy wearing blue eyeshadow out today. So I just went with like the gold and just some warmer tones. So nice. The gold that I used, obviously this one, it's so pigmented, really creamy, and the matte shades, I really like their formula because they're not overly pigmented, they're nice and buildable, and they just blend so easily, really easy to do. Okay, let's go on to the face. So I didn't buy any new face primers right now because I've been buying too many. You know, I've recently got the Milk Hydro Grip primer, which love. Infinity Glass primer from Linda Hallberg, love. That's still a lot. So I'm just going to use one that I haven't used in a while, which is the Elcie Pearl Radiance primer. I haven't moisturised after my shower, which is a bit gross for me because my skin is dry. So for foundation, I did mention this in my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. My favourite foundation of all time is this guy, which I had run out of, but I've got it now because I did order one. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Illuminating Foundation. This is in the shade Warm Beige. And yeah, I completely ran out of my other one. I love that thing to death. I remember I lost the cap to it. It was gross. It was horrible. We've got a fresh one and I'm ready. I think this is like one of the very few foundations that I've actually gone through. And I friggin' love this thing. Like, it's affordable, but it's so good. It's full coverage, but if you just use a small amount, it's perfect for every day. It looks like skin no matter how much you want to pack on your face. And I honestly just love it so much. It gives a really nice glow. It's just the best. Okay, I haven't got any new concealers just because... Okay, it's mainly like highlight and stuff, and bronzer, actually. It's mainly the eyeshadow palette, come on. So I'm just going to use the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer. I haven't actually used this that much. Okay, so powder is next, and I'm so excited for this. I have used it once. This is the Milk Makeup Blur, I think it's called. Blur and Sets Loose Powder. I got the shade medium, and I really liked this the first time I used it. I haven't used it like where I've been wearing my makeup for a long time, so I haven't been able to fully test if like it's good, if that makes sense. For bronzer, I've actually got two new bronzers. One I have used, the other not so much. This one is the Fenty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Private Island. I love this. So yeah, this is the shade that I got. This is Private Island. I love this. I love this so much. And then the other one that I got is by Milani. This has been out of stock for the longest time on Beauty Bay, I swear. And it's the Silky Matte Bronzer in Sunkissed. Yeah, this shade has been out of stock for a while. This is a bit cooler, and I'm going to use this to contour, but I'm going to use this to bronze my face first. This bronzer is so nice. This would be a really nice summery bronzer. And I'm going to use this one. Blush. We don't have a new blush, but I haven't used this in like 5 years. This is the Kylie X-Rated blush. This is so old. So, I do like this though. I do really like it. It's just a chill, matte, peachy blush. I feel like this has kind of taken over MAC peaches for me because obviously I don't use MAC anymore, so this is like my alternative. I've been wanting this highlight for the longest time. It's always out of stock. I've heard really good things about it. Here it is. This is by Melt Cosmetics, and this is their Stargazer highlight. This is so nice. Look at that. It looks so cool in the pan. I freaking love it. I have swatched this, not gonna lie. Sorry. Holy wow. We're just going to move on to the lips. I don't have a new lip product, so I'm just going to fill them in super quickly. I'm going to use Nathan by Jefree Star Cosmetics. I'm not even going to bother with a lip liner. To be fair, you don't really need them. Okay, so that is it. This is all this cool makeup that I've tested. I am obsessed with everything. The eyeshadow palette I'm really, really excited to try out a bit more. I'm definitely going to use... I'll do another tutorial with it. I really, really like that eyeshadow palette. That bronzer combination, yes. I'm so glad I bought another one of these. Seriously, if you have not tried this LA Girl foundation, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. So good. And that highlight, oh my god, amazing. Oh, I guess that is it for the video. So thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried anything, if you are having a good day. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go because this is gonna die. So see you in my next video.